صلی علی رسول الکریم اما بعد اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. ابتدا ہے رب جلیل کے بابرکت نام سے، ابتدا ہے رب جلیل کے بابرکت نام سے جو ہماری شہرت سے بھی زیادہ قریب ہے. Respected teachers, parents and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today my speech topic is education is the one of the blessing of life. I am honored to have this crucial topic. Dear fellows, to get education is the one of the blessing of life. Its necessities, dear sisters and brothers, dear fellow children, we must work not wait, not just the politicians in the world leaders. We all need to contribute, me, you and we. It is our duty to realize the importance of light. When we see darkness, we realize the importance of our voice when we are silent. In the same way, when we work in SWAT, the north of Pakistan realized the importance of pens and books when we saw the guns. What is it? That countries which you call strong are so powerful in creating wars but are so weak in bringing peace. Why is it? Why is it that doing guns is so easy but doing books is so hard? Why is it? Why is it that doing guns is so easy but building schools is so hard? One child, one teacher, one book and one pen can change what? उकाबी रूह जब बेदार होती है जवानों में, उकाबी रूह जब बेदार होती है जवानों में, नजर आती है उनको अपनी मंजिल आसमानों में. Education is the only solution. Education first. Thank you very much.